It is our choices that show what we truly are, far more from our abilities. This quote is from Albus Dumbledore. Albus Dumbledore was sending a message to the people that the choice you make shows your character than your ability. You may be a very well-able man who have a lot of energy, but what will you do with your energy? Will you use it to destroy people by fighting, or will you use it for sports? You may be someone who has knowledge, like for example, knowledge of making atoms and more. Will you use your knowledge to make the bombs for terrorists, or will you use it to make the bombs for democratic government to defend its people? That's choice versus ability. Another example of choice versus ability is somebody able to convince people. Will you use the knowledge of convincing to promote good things like environmental justice, women's rights, and also social justice, labor rights, and the rest of other psychological, verbally demanded challenges, or you will use it to become a fraudster, to con people of their money? So it engulfs the choice. Your character is seen in your choice, not in your ability. Thank you.